Hey everyone, this is Stocklog. Today I'm watching BTC for a short, FUBO for a long, MU for a long. So let's see what happens. FUBO, opening range break. I'm going long, 5k shares. I accidentally bought only 200 at 28.48. I really like this daily setup, 50 moving average break, support. We just broke yesterday's highs to confirm the bounce of the 50 moving average. So I'm exiting my small size on FUBO and I want to start a new one lower. I'm expecting it to go higher for the day, so I want to build a position. I want to build some size. I'm willing to add on this one and build some size, risk a bit more on this trade because I want to make a bit more. So MU, I entered long at 77, round number, opening range break, 5,000 shares. I started building my position on FUBO. 28.35 is my average, 8,000 shares currently long. MU, I sold 2k shares for $400 profit. I still hold 3,000. FUBO, still building my position 12k shares with an average at 28.03. Added 2k more. MU, I took another partial. Now I'm holding 2,000 shares. FUBO, my average now is at 27.82 and my size is 16k. That's almost the maximum size I'm willing to take on FUBO. Willing to risk anywhere under 10k on this, but I want to make at least 15k on FUBO. So let's see what happens. Here is the bounce I was expecting. I took a partial at 28.05. I want to see test of the highs and a breakout. But first we need to break over the VWAP, above the VWAP, after this higher low on the 1 minute. I'm taking advantage of this drop. I'm adding 2k more. My average now on FUBO is 27.78. Alright, I'm selling 2,000 shares at 28.13. I sold 3k shares at 28.13, still holding 5k. I sold 2k more at 28.57. $4,500 realized so far on FUBO. I've set an order to buy some more and I got a fill at 28.22. Size now is 5k on FUBO. I want to see a breakout of the day's highs, over the day's highs, and there I will start selling. But then again, I will not let it go against me. Alright, FUBO, here is another attempt. I sold 2k more at 28.46. $5,500 realized on FUBO now. and I sold everything. I didn't want to let go against me, so I sold everything at my entry, $27.95. I made $5,500 almost on FUBO, not what I expected, but it's a decent profit, not a very good risk reward. And now I'm starting a short on BTC, 10K shares. It's one of my favorite setups to trade on the daily. It's one of the setups I teach in my masterclass. I covered 5K for almost $2,000 profit. I re-entered FUBO on support at 28.55. BTC, I covered everything at 26.70. BTC, and I am willing to re-enter on a bounce. I'm ready to re-enter. I got a fill at 27.33, 5K shares. And FUBO, I sold 1K at 28.96, and I sold all at 29.41. That's the move I expected from the morning with my size, but I didn't get it. I got it with a much smaller size, but that's okay. I sold my last at 27.49. BTC, I'm adding 15K shares with an average 26.98. I'm expecting a bigger drop to capitalize on BTC daily setup. And here is the drop I was expecting. I covered 5K at 26.45, 3K more, holding 8K shares. I want to cover 2K more. I got a fill at 26.10. $11,000 realized profit so far on BT. MU, I added 1K on the bounce. My average is at 77.45 on MU. Here is the drop on BT, on Bit Digital. I want to see a breakdown of this base, and here is the breakdown. I want to see testing 2550s. Here it is, and I'm ready to take my partial. I will take 3,000 shares. And I got a fill at 25.55. Realized profit so far $15,000 on BT. Still holding 3K shares short. I'm selling my MU position at 77.77 for almost $3,000 profit. I'm also watching BTAI for a short on a reversal. BT I covered 1K more at 24.69. And I got a fill on BTAI at 48.92, 2,000 shares. I'm starting small. It's a riskier entry, but it's looking good. I want to see a break below 48.50 to take a partial. Alright, BT, I like this bounce. I will add here. for a continuation of the downtrend. I've added 10k shares. My average now is at 25.63. Oh, BTAI just squeezed on me, so I'm waiting for a second to see if it will reverse. I want to add here 2k shares more in case it reverses to have a better average. If we get a bounce now off the VWAP, I will have to get out for a loss. So I'm watching it closely. Also BT, I'm looking to take a partial soon. And I got stopped out on BTAI at 49.78. I lost 70 cents on this one on 4k shares. And BT I covered at 25.20. I'm still holding 7k shares. I covered 4k more at 24.24. $30,000 unrealized profit so far on BT. That was the trade of the day. I called it in the free chat room. I also called it on Zoom Live. I'm trading live with my students every day. So guys, if you want to join us, visit stocklockTrading.com, join the masterclass, and then join the Zoom Live sessions if you want to see me calling all these trades live. If you just want to see text alerts, just join our free chat room. It's 100% free. And I got stopped out at my entry on the rest on BTC, so I made $32,000. Thanks for watching.